in the heart of untouched wilderness, where nature's symphony plays out its harmonious melodies, a story unfolds. A tale of beauty, resilience, and an ominous threat looming on the horizon. Nature, in its myriad forms, has woven a tapestry of life for millions of years, nurturing flora and fauna in perfect balance. But amidst this spectacle lies a shadow. Pollution, an insidious intruder disrupting the very essence of this pristine world. Across continents, the once pure air, crystal clear waters, and abundant ecosystems face the grave consequences of human activities. Plastics choke our oceans, poisoning marine life. Toxic fumes darken our skies, threatening all that breathes. The impact of pollution on our ecosystems is alarming. Species face extinction, habitats degrade, and fragile ecosystems teeter on the brink of collapse. The delicate balance of nature is unraveling before our eyes. Yet, in the face of adversity, there is hope. From passionate environmentalists to grassroots community efforts, people around the world are rising to the challenge. Activism, conservation, and sustainable practices are becoming rallying cries for change. The fight against pollution is a battle for our planet's survival. Each action, each conscious decision holds the key to a brighter, cleaner future. It's time to heed nature's call, to protect, preserve, and restore the balance that sustains us all.